Good morning, everybody. It's Alex, and Happy New Year. It is the 7th of January, 2026. I have a new phone, and I'm trying to figure out how to make this video turn around from the selfie. Let's see if I can do that. I don't know how to do it. Anyway, we're servicing this Mercedes at a luxury and exotic car dealership group in the back where their auto bodies and paint department is. We're servicing it for tobacco, which actually already started. On a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the strongest, this was a 3. Just an absolutely beautiful color combination in this G-Wagon. Still needs a detail. There's some stuff that needs to get vacuumed out of here, which they'll do. But we've already tried it. We've already serviced the headliner, the seats. You can see the seats are drying right there and right there, hopefully. And the carpeting. We'll service all the rubber seals around the doors on both sides, on the unibody as well as the door side. You can see this one is ripped. But anyway, we will then, once we're done with that, we'll service the AC to make sure it smells fresh and clean. Once again, we are luxury car and truck odor removal specialists, and we get the job done. It's just that simple. There's a lot of imitators out there, but nobody has the track record of Master Odor Removal across the country, and we are the only green certified odor removal company in the country, something that I'm very proud of as the owner. That's really basically it. Hopefully this video came out good, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.